Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another mukbang. Mukbang. I'm so crazy, guys. So I just zoomed out a little bit because I wanted to show y'all my face. Because all my previous mukbangs, it's like I was just really just showing my my bottom part of my face, just my lip area. I was like, oh, y'all need to see my face a little more. So here I am. Don't mind the background. Don't look at the background, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification on so you get up. Take two. So you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Alright guys, so I have some pizza right here. I got pepperoni, I got ham, and I have some bacon. Well, a little bit of bacon. And this stuffed crust pizza. I was gonna put some Doritos on it just to try something new. But I was like, you know what? This is good enough. This is good enough. Here it is. That's how it looks. So we're gonna call this leftover mukbang. Okay. Let me eat a big one first. Ooh, still nice and warm. Hot. Ooh, you see y'all? Ooh, this is straight grease. Straight grease. Let's eat this. And I got the 3 topping for $7.99. Plus, I got it stuffed, so it came up to 10 something. I got the creamy sauce. It's from Pizza Hut. I got the creamy sauce. But you definitely get the marinara. If you want to. Guys, if you guys haven't seen my other video where you can partake in winning some money. Not that much, but you don't know. You can win some money. Go check out that the other video. Yum. I just put 2 ponytails in the back on this hairstyle. Yeah, I already know I did this. I think I'm gonna take it out this week. Ooh, I'm gonna take it out this week because the hair is already like sliding out. When you're trying to be cheap and do your own hair. I'll probably have to redo it every week. Or I need to work on my gripping technique. Because the hair is sliding out. Guys, if you're watching my video and you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. And stop procrastinating. Okay, stop procrastinating. Get out. Make that first video. Right now I'm recording on my phone. I'm using my phone right now. So use what you got. Don't be going out there trying to buy no expensive camera. And then next thing you know, you find out, oh, this is not for me, or this is time consuming, because it really is really time consuming. Right now, just got off work. I'm like, you know, I gotta push this video out. I gotta post a video on Sunday today. So here I am, doing it. If you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. Yeah. So definitely post it your first video. And to gain views, share it on Facebook. Share it on Instagram. If you have Snapchat, share it on Share it on Snapchat as well. Alright, there's too much lighting on my damn pizza. I'm gonna just let y'all see the close up on it. Ooh. Refreshing. Like I said, share it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or whatever group whatever group you may be in. Share it there to gain your subscribers, guys. To all your family members, to all your friends, to everybody that you know. Tell them to go and subscribe to your channel. Tell them. Everybody you know, anywhere you go, be like, hey, go check out my YouTube channel. Okay? Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. And definitely leave comments. Meaningful comments on the other people's videos as well. Just to get your name out there. Oh, see, I do cooking videos. So I join a lot of groups on Facebook pertaining to cooking. So you can share your videos there. Or whatever you're into. If it's gaming, I'm pretty sure they have a lot of Facebook groups out there that caters to. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Girl. Can't take me nowhere. Wait on. No, so I'm never gonna find this. I gotta find it because, I don't want no food just lingering around. Gotta clean up. And guys, the biggest thing in growing your channel is being consistent. I know y'all heard this before a million times. So today, I can make 1,000,001 time you're gonna hear this, okay? Be consistent with your uploads, making good videos. Obviously, you're using your iPhone, so the video's gonna be, they're gonna be like A1, but they're gonna be good enough. Okay? They're gonna be good enough for people to watch. So that's good enough. I'm gonna say good enough one more time. I wish I could still wear I need to get my nose pierced again. I need to get that back. And I was watching someone's video a long time ago. And they were saying, before you get on camera, look presentable. before you get on camera, do your hair, do your makeup, put on nice clothes, look presentable to your audience, because that's what pull people in. I'm like, damn, I just be coming on here looking like a hot mess. Don't get me wrong, some days I put myself together a little bit. Some days I just like, take me as I am, right? Take me as I am. But she was like, nope. You gotta put yourself together. People are drawn to attract, what am I saying? People are drawn to attractiveness in a sense. So put yourself together. But if you're funny, I'm gonna watch you regardless. You funny. You cracking me up. It's making me laugh. So keep coming back to your channel. I mean, nobody's ugly. Okay? Everybody is beautiful. We're just broke. We're all beautiful. So I was like, yeah, it makes sense what she was saying. I can get where she's coming from. But me, I pull up any old man pull up. Oh, but I hope everybody had a wonderful Sunday. What y'all cook for Sunday dinner? Oh, y'all had takeout, as they call it in Britain or in England, takeaway. If y'all don't know, my mom's from England, and she always like, "Oh, I'm getting some takeaway food." I'm like, "Mom, you mean takeout?" She's like, "No, takeaway." I'm like, "Oh, that's what they call it over there. Excuse me. Excuse my language." So yeah, bump it. Forget it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna just leave it down there. I'm just a hot mess today, guys. Just a hot mess. Whew, that was good. Alright, guys, I'm ending this here. Glad to catch up with y'all on Sunday. Thanks for 1K subscribers. I appreciate you guys so very much. Very, very much. On our way to 2K. Guys, share my videos, guys. Share my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye. Much love.